Come test drive this 2012 Mazda Mazda3. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.